Hello everyone and welcome back to the Perfect French with Dinan. Today we keep saying the negation. We saw part 1 last week and this week we're going to see part 2. Once again, stay until the end because I'm going to tell you how to pronounce negative sentence like a French speaker. For this week's video, on Wednesday we are going to learn vocabulary with H. Even though we don't pronounce it in French, it's important to know if we are supposed to link the article or not. That whole thing is confusing, so we are going to see all that is the most useful vocabulary lesson for H. And then on Thursday, a highly requested video, I'm going to tell you how to pronounce sentences to sound like a native speaker. Because as you know, like we saw last week, like we are going to see today at the end of this video, we don't always pronounce the full sentence. We use a lot of shortcuts. There's some word that we do not pronounce at all. I'm going to share with you everything about that on Thursday. So don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the videos and like this video because it really helped me. As usual, the PDF for this lesson is on my website, theperfectfrench.com. It's free, you just need to download it. Alright, so last week we saw negation part 1, like I said, and we learned to use ne pas, which is the basic of negation, with présent, passé composé, deux verbes, c'est, and verb pronominal. That was very easy. If you haven't watched the video, I'm going to link it in the description box. All the videos I'm going to talk about today are all going to be in the description box. So today we are going to learn ne plus, ne que, ne jamais, ne rien, ne pas encore, ne personne. Let's see the first one, ne plus, which means not anymore. And usually it's followed by de. I'm going to show you an example about the whole thing. It's gonna make more sense in a second. So the rule about how to place the negation doesn't change. This is just another type of negation. So if we see ne plus, it's gonna be ne, verbe, plus. That doesn't change. So let's see the first one. J'ai du chocolat. J'ai du chocolat. I have chocolate. What if you don't have chocolate anymore? Je n'ai plus de chocolat. Je n'ai plus de chocolat. So, you see that j'ai du chocolat, du becomes de. That's one of the grammar rules that it's more an advanced level, but just remember that after plus, it's always de. Even if it's a feminine word, feminine, masculine, doesn't matter, it's going to be de. Just remember that. So, about plus, plus has two different pronunciations. I share that a couple of times on the videos, I think now. So, it's always confusing to know if it's plus or plus. Just remember this simple trick that I have to know if it's positive, you're going to pronounce the S. If it's negative, you're not going to pronounce the S. So, for example, in this one, je n'ai plus de chocolat. I don't have chocolate anymore. So it's a negative thing, so we don't pronounce the S. But if you want to say, I have more chocolate, j'ai plus de chocolat. Plus. Plus, plus, plus. Okay? Positive, plus. Negative, plus. It's a bit more complicated than that, but that's a rule that you can follow, I will say 90% of the time. I get distracted. So, je n'ai plus de chocolat. Second one, ne que, which means only. Same thing again, it's around the verb. So, ne, verbe, que. So, if we see in a sentence, tu as $100. Tu as $100. But if you use it with ne que, tu n'as que $100. Tu n'as que $100. So, you only have $100. Alright? So, n'a que, you only have. Next one, ne jamais. Ne jamais. That's mean never. Il s'entraîne tous les jours. Il s'entraîne tous les jours. So s'entraîner is a pronominal verb. It was in the video last week. So we do not break out a pronominal verb to make a negation sentence. It stays together. It's only one verb. It's not like passé composé. Passé composé is different. For verb pronominal, stays the same. Negative now. Il ne s'entraîne jamais. Il ne s'entraîne jamais. He never exercises. I hope you exercise. Especially if you're in a lockdown right now, you really need to keep your body active. Otherwise, it will just drive you crazy. And trust me, I work at home. I'm at home all the time. You really need to exercise. And that was the advice of the day. The next one we're gonna see is ne pas encore. Ne pas encore. Not yet. Same thing again. Ne, verbe, pas encore. So let's see. Vous avez déjà été au magasin. Vous avez déjà été au magasin. You already went to the store. What about if we did not go to the store? Vous n'avez pas encore été au magasin. Vous n'avez pas encore été au magasin. The next one will be ne rien. Ne rien. Nothing. Ne, verbe, rien. Elle veut tout essayer. She wants to try everything. Elle veut tout essayer. Becomes elle ne veut rien essayer. Elle ne veut rien essayer. Link, n'essayer. Elle ne veut rien essayer. Next one, ne personne. This one is a bit more complicated to translate. We say no one, nobody, anybody. It's, it really depends on the negative sentence in English, how you translate it. So, ne personne. Once again, ne verbe personne. In a sentence, nous avons vu beaucoup de monde dehors. Nous avons vu beaucoup de monde dehors. We saw a lot of people outside. But what about if you haven't seen anybody outside? Nous n'avons vu personne dehors. Nous n'avons vu personne dehors. We saw no one outside. That was the most important form of negation that you can use in French. There are other ones that I left aside just because we don't use them. It's more in books or something like that I will find them. And it's very not common either in books, so I did not put them in the video because I don't think it was useful at all. What is useful is to know how to pronounce it like a French native speaker would pronounce it. So for the first one, je n'ai plus de chocolat. Je n'ai plus de chocolat. This one will say j'ai plus de chocolat. J'ai plus de chocolat. Chocolat. J'ai plus de chocolat. Second one, tu n'as que $100. Tu n'as que $100. We'll say t'as que $100. T'as que $100. T'as que $100. Okay? Next one, il ne s'entraîne jamais. Becomes il s'entraîne jamais. Il s'entraîne jamais. Next one, elle ne veut rien essayer. Elle veut rien essayer. Elle veut rien essayer. Vous n'avez pas encore été au magasin. Becomes vous n'avez pas encore été au magasin. Vous n'avez pas encore été au magasin. Or you can even push it further and say vous n'avez pas encore été au magasin. Vous n'avez pas. Vous n'avez pas encore été au magasin. Next one, nous n'avons vu personne dehors. And like I said last week, we don't use much nous because it's more a very formal way to talk. We use more on. So this one will become on n'a vu personne dehors. On n'a vu personne dehors. I hope you enjoy. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to leave me a comment if you have a question. If you want to request a video, also leave me a comment. Be more than happy to make a video to help you with something. You can connect with me on my Instagram, my Facebook page, and this YouTube channel. I try to answer every comment and every message I get. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, it really helped my channel. And I will see you soon for another lesson.